Today, I'm going to show you the 3 phases of where you should be investing your money in less than 1 minute. Here we go. So, the first phase is the starting phase. You should be investing in your education, side hustles, your health, stocks that you like or use, companies that you invest in, and possibly even crypto that you like. Now, the second phase to where to put your money when investing is in growth stocks, startup companies, scaling your side hustle from the previous phase, real estate like rental properties, and possibly still a little bit more crypto if you're getting used to it by the second phase. Now, the third phase of where to put your money when investing would be value stocks, dividend stocks, real estate, index funds, and ultimately your health. That is very important. And those are the 3 phases of where you should be investing your money. Subscribe if you like this for more content.